Man, y'all know who this is, man. It's your boy calling me, aka Lil Crazy, aka that freshman you wanna hate. As you can see, I'm up early in the morning right now. 7:27 to be exact. I need to school since Saturday. I'm just here to say before the game, championship game, Pumas went to state today. My team, our team, Indiana Pumas. You know what I'm saying? So what's up with the Pumas? You know what I mean? I'm just here to say, win or lose, that's still my team, man. Still my bros. All the 8 seniors, 7 seniors on varsity, y'all got all my respect. All of y'all. I hope y'all do well tonight. You know what I'm saying? After this game, I hope y'all feel, you know what I'm saying, get better from it. I mean, win or lose. Hope y'all go to college. Any college. D1, D2, it don't matter to me. Just go to college and hoop. I wanna see all y'all on TV. We see one of y'all. From Reese to Big Will. You know what I'm saying? I just want to, I'm just like, I'm not even playing, you know what I'm saying? Most freshmen do like, I want to dress on that. I don't even care. I don't even care. I'm just happy to be here at the Seco Fullhouse, my freshman year. Are you crazy? Yeah, I'm just happy to be there, man. So I thank the coaches, Coach Nick and Coach Bishop. Well, y'all, man. Salute y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm a freshman, Romeo Kyrie. You know what I'm saying? Salute y'all. Chance, Shay. Salute y'all, man. LeBron, JK, Big Will, and Jared Reese. You know what I'm saying? Salute y'all. You know what I mean? I'm just happy to be here, really. Like, I don't even know what to say after this. I'm just happy to be here. You know what I mean? As you can see, I got my blue and white on right now. You know what I mean? And this is crazy. Crazy how from we came from nothing, made to something. We didn't even got a gym. We've been on the road like an NBA team, going ham all year. Don't get me wrong, we're not the best team. We had a couple losses, but we came back from that. Got on a winning streak. The sectionals, got that. Regional, got that. Semi-state, got that. Now we at state. And to the other team, I wish you best of luck too. Always a good sport. That's all I want to say. I just want to say thank you. I'm a college seniors and all the coaches on the team. Thank you for taking me this way. Taking me to Casico. Let me see the experience I have. But next year, when I'm on a team, I can do the same thing or at least try. You know what I'm saying? But I love my team. 100. That's what.
Push roll, glass full, I prefer the better things. Niggas with no money act like money isn't everything. I'm having a good time, they just tryna ruin it. Shout out to the fact that I'm the youngest nigga doing it. Cat bomb, Brimman, Denzel every time. She ain't tryna pop that shit for pimp, okay, well never mind. I tried to told you Drizzy still ain't nothing nice. Bracelet saying you should quit, cards saying fuck your life. Okay, now we outta here. Toodles to you bitches, and if you dog up, I got the voodoo for you bitches. Yeah, I'm busy getting rich. I don't want trouble. I made enough for 2 niggas, boy, stunt double. Famous like a drug that I'm taking too much of, but I never ever trip. Just keep happiness and love. I got money in these jeans, so they fit me kinda snug. Plus the game is in my pocket, nigga. This is what I do. Whatever, man. What would they be talking about? Everything doesn't count. We the only thing that matters. So we do it how we do it. All up in the face, man. Hey, put some joy. I be up all night, whole crews in here. I don't really know who I'ma lose this year. Oh, man, I love my team. Man, I love my team. I'm a guy for them niggas.
I'm a kidder. I got that kind of money, make a broke bitch bitter. I got that kind of wait, big fade. Which bitch you know made $1 million off a mixtape? That was just a keepsake. Was the president the only presidential briefcase? Left up in the cheapskate. We got the whole night talking about the beef state. Man, for Pete's sake, scratch that beef state. Fuck I look like, ho, I look like yes and you look like no. I'm a bad bitch. I ain't never been a big three on a diet, but I'm doing donuts in the 6 speed. M6 in front of M2. I see a lot of bad bitches on the menu, but I collect 100 at the venue and pop bottles with my team. Young money to the top.
I'm about whatever, man. All the things talk about, baby, nothing. We the only thing that matters. So we go ahead, all up in my face, it's a person joy. I be up.